Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Donovan and today I want to take a look at a budget-friendly case for the LG G8 ThinQ. This comes from a company called Tudia. This is the Tudia Merge and you can pick it up right now on Amazon.com for just under 11 bucks. So you can see right now it's available for 11 bucks. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested in checking it out. So it's available in 4 different colors. So they have blue, matte black, which is what I have, and then the metallic slate and rose gold. So a few different color options there. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my LG G8 ThinQ. Now, I do want to mention that I do have a tempered glass screen protector that I just made a video for. This is from a company called G-Pel. It is the G-Pel tempered glass screen protector. I believe it's $15 on Amazon. So you can check out the video just before this one if you're interested in checking that out. So we're going to go ahead and test out the case. I actually already know that it works because when I made the video for the tempered glass screen protector, I threw this on at the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it up. You can see that this is a 2-piece case. So a couple of things that they mention here. It is dual layer, so there's 2 pieces. There is a TPU interior, so that's this piece right here. And then also you can see kind of up there, so that TPU gives it that nice cushioning. And then also on the outside we have polycarbonate, so that's this piece right here. So that polycarbonate gives it a little bit more rigid feel to it. If you took that polycarbonate off, it'd be a much more flexible case. So, I mean, you can't really use it separately, but you could pull them apart if you want to. We do also have clicky buttons. That's actually one thing I really like about Tudia cases. They all have very clickable buttons, and then it is military grade certified. So I'm going to go ahead and set that off to the side. This is the case, and of course, again, it's available with 4 different color shells. So there's blue, that metallic gray or whatever slate, I think they called it, black, and then the rose gold. So this is the case. There's those clicky buttons. So there's our power button. Over here we have our Google Assistant button and volume rocker. This is that opening that I can't remember what it's for. We have our fingerprint sensor and then cameras down there. And I definitely think it's worth it getting a case for the ThinQ because honestly, this is a slippery phone. It does a good job actually of not really collecting too many fingerprints despite being an all glass back. And I do love the fact that that camera is flush to the back of the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that on, and there you go. So it works perfectly with this tempered glass screen protector. You can see there's a little bit of a gap down here, but really no issues at all. Screen sensitivity is good with the screen protector. The case itself has nice protection for the phone, so if you drop it, it should be just fine, especially if you have a tempered glass screen protector. But if you drop it on the bottom top, there's some nice protection here on each of the corners, and then those nice clickable buttons, so you can see. Not that you can tell, but they are very clickable. So I do like that they're also raised, so you can easily find them in the dark or whatever, if for some reason you need to. And also one other fun thing, I do like that there's also kind of a lead into the fingerprint sensor, making it even easier to find than it already is. So anyways, quick look at the Tudia Merge for the LG G8 ThinQ. Again, link down in the description. It's available for 11 bucks on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching. Hope this video has been helpful for you, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.